Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 5, Part B. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle T onto triangle U. It's clearly observed that triangle T is in quadrant 2 while triangle U is in quadrant 4. It means that shape has moved across both axes. Next, observe the orientation of the triangles. Triangle U is of the same shape and size as triangle T, but its orientation is different. So this is not a translation because the orientation has changed. It is also not a reflection because reflections flip the shape over a line. Let's now try the rotation. For this purpose, we shall use a tracing paper. Let's first try to rotate it around the origin that is around point 0, 0. We can see that after an anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degrees, triangle T is transformed to the same orientation as triangle U, but position is not exactly matched. So let's try with the center of rotation as 1, 1 and rotate it anti-clockwise by 90 degrees. We can see that position is improved but still not exactly overlapping triangle U. Let's try to move the center of rotation a bit more on the same direction and try the point 2, 2 as the center. After the rotation of 90 degrees, we can see that the triangle T is exactly mapped over the triangle U. Excellent! So our answer is transformation type is rotation. The angle of rotation is 90 degrees anti-clockwise and center of rotation is 2, 2. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.